Howdy, hey, welcome back to the Pacific Northwest Gold Rushers. I'm Jeff, amateur prospector, and this is Gold Rush 22. Okay, well, we're back down at the river. This is day 1 of 2 days. I will try my best to keep this video under what it was last week, and I apologize again for that. But this week was really high temperatures again, very muggy, and then we even got a little bit of rain, which just made it even more muggy. But as you can see, the river turned back into chocolate milk. Ends come up quite a bit. It was up a lot higher, you can see, but it's much cooler today. It's temperatures back down to where it's nice. If we get, right now we have a very, very light breeze, and it just keeps it perfect. So as long as we can get a little bit of breeze, we'll be good. Again, I appreciate the people that subscribed, left comments, and gave me a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me, and hopefully, you know, we can keep that going. Now, the game plan for the weekend is I'm opening up the panning pit. That's what I'm calling it. We found this place this spot a couple of weeks ago, because tomorrow I'm bringing a friend's group to teach them how to pan. So my goal today is we're going to open it up, and I'm going to process a lot of dirt today, and tomorrow I'm going to come. They're coming about noon. I'm going to come earlier, and my goal is to classify a bucket and then super pan it down to about a third, and then dump it in another bucket, and then hopefully fill up a bucket. So they'll have, I wouldn't really call it concentrates, I'll call it super classified material, so they got a better chance of getting some NUGS. I do want to send them home with a little bit of gold so they can say, I found this, which is why I do it. I can show people my gold and say, I found this. So, let's get to it. Nobody raided my spot. Got my hydration station set up. So, yeah, it's going to be a good day. It's not early in the morning right now. It's probably about 11 o'clock or so. I did that on purpose. One, I wanted to sleep in. It was a long week. But the other is, even with the cloud cover, the sun, as soon as it goes over there, it's a lot cooler and it goes down. So I don't have to work tomorrow morning, and I'm not getting up early tomorrow morning either. So I'll get up, I'll watch your guys' YouTube channels, and drink my coffee, and then get out here and get ready for tomorrow. So this is day 1 of the panning pit, Gold Rush 22. Let's do it. Howdy. Okay, that was the hard part. Not as bad as the gold vault, the bank vault, but I just finished removing all the overburden, well, the sand, and we're down to the very top of the first layer. My plan is to not just go down and pull this time. I'm going to take it down by layer because of what we're planning to do with it. So let me show you, and this is to indicate where I stop. So again, we got a big mountain of sand. That shows you that's a 4-foot shovel, somewhere around there, maybe a little over. And so we got about a 4 by 6 or 7 foot start. Hitting rocks over here already, but you can see all of a sudden black sand packed on those rocks. And then here's a good indicator right here. See the nice gravels, black sand, and this is all packed rock down there. That's the hole we dug 2 weeks ago. So yeah, that's the hard part, not the fun part. But it's, from my experience, I learned, get it out of the way. Keep it close, because we got to reclimate. But get it out of the way, otherwise you're going to be battling it, falling into your hole, and just, you're going to be just running sand. We don't want to do that. So I'm going to give me another drink of H2O. And, oh, there's a breeze right there. Of course, when I'm digging the sand, the breeze stops, but now there's a nice one coming in, so I'm going to sit down and cool off. I wore a black shirt today. Hopefully it doesn't show up all my sweat that bad, but we're going to take a break and get to it and find that NUGS. Gold Rush 22. Howdy, Abe. Okay, let's do an update. It's been, oh, I don't know, hour and a half, somewhere around there. I don't know. Again, no breeze, but let me show you. So we're down, well, I'm down, you know, so it's a little over a shovel, but that's about a foot or so deep. And I'm still, it's just, well, it's just going well. Really hot and muggy. So I did, that actually was 4 about 3/4 classified buckets, and all I did was speed pan them down until it was almost just black sand, and then I dumped them in a bucket. And so it really didn't take very long, because I wasn't even trying to see if there was anything in there. Excuse me. So we did that. Well, I did that. Surprisingly, there's a lot of black sand. It actually went pretty quick. The clay material fogs everything up, but there was a lot of light material. It was almost like there was no medium. It was just lighter material and then black sand. But let me show you. So right there, I don't know if you can see it, and right there. So I, again, just like last time, I'm not really taking my time, because I'm taking all this home. Oh goodness, look at all those. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. Oh, there's a nice, that's another. All right, oh, there's another nice one right there. Up there, lots of garnets too. You can see they're still coming down. Oh, darn it. Oh, look at that one. Oh, can you see that one? Oh, the darn screen turned off. I'm really happy with this. My hand's getting tired here. Anyway, that's good enough. So, as you can see, that's your typical gold for this area. It's gonna go good. I'm happy because I'm gonna keep pushing today. Because right now, kind of like the bank vault, I can see which direction it's going and where it's been dug and not been dug. So I'm not going to kill myself today, but my goal is, truthfully, because this pan's so easy, and in truth, it's not. Compared to the place I was last week, digging's kind of easy. relatively. It's still a lot of work, but I got plenty of hydration today. I even got a couple Blue Mountains, and I am going to enjoy one now because I need to take a break. I was just looked at my my clock between here and actually that was closer to 2 hours. So time flies when you're having fun. So we got some good gold in there, and there's definitely a couple nugs. So I'm going to enjoy my break. We'll be back in a bit. Gold Rush 22. Howdy, Abe. Okay, well, I just finished my second batch. I got her down to mostly black sand, and let's take a look. Well, I can already see gold right there, tiny little speck, but there's gold in this. There's some showing up there already. That black sand's about an 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch thick, I think, or something like that. Oh, there's some over here. There we go. There's a nice piece right there. Some good sized pieces. There's another good one right there. See? Another one. Ooh, just watch that down quick. Lots of micro dots, lots and lots of just stars everywhere. So that's good. It means we're not losing every speck underneath us, so look at all those little ones stuck there. That's the nug. Had to show that. So anyway, I've taken about a nice 20-minute break, and I'm about to get going again. Ate myself a little snack, drank a bottle of water, had my Blue Mountain hydration. I'm still soaking wet from sweat, but we're looking good. I don't know how much more I'm going to do. I'm going to go until I feel like stopping. I got no plans and nothing to do except find that nug. It's going to be a good one. That feels good. Everybody likes finding that shiny gold. And that one there that you saw, that's definitely a Pacific Northwest Gold Rush or NUG. Let's get back to it. Gold Rush 22. Excuse me again. Oh, finally a breeze. That's the first breeze this afternoon. So anyway, oh God, I'm getting old. Hey, when you start getting old, it's funny how you get stiff in all the wrong places. But anyway, I'm really happy with that. I think the first one might have been better, but I also, you know, maybe my buckets weren't as full, or you know how it goes. The more you go on, it's like the less the bucket is like, oh, that's good enough. But I'm going to sit here and take another break. I've been here now for about 4 hours. It's only about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but I'm going to take a break here, and actually before I do that, let me show you the hole. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. Oh. Okay. So you remember the layout at the beginning. Oh, that breeze feels awesome. So I started like on this side, and you can see how then I get down there, and it's kind of a little bit different, but I don't know. So anyway, the good news is that first run was that top rock layer. So I've got plenty right now, and oh wow, that breeze just feels so good. To where I can just bring the pick tomorrow. I have it today, but and then I can just pull it down and make for a lot easier digging. That's why I haven't touched that next little bench there. But that's probably just that side of the wall and that corner. Just that's probably about 4 to 6 buckets. So, and I've already classified 8 buckets. So, yeah, I think I'm going to take a break. I'll make the decision then whether I'm going to do just a little bit more. Yeah, Gold Rush 22. Howdy! As you can tell, I made it back home. I thought about breaking up. I wanted to break out my gold wheel and clean that up because it looks really good. But I'm going to wait because I'm going again tomorrow. I'm meeting the group. We're going to do day 2 of the pan. But I would hate to take people who've never gold panned and send them home with nothing. So I mean, if I go there tomorrow and I'm going to work my booty off to get it ready, so when they're panning, you know, I want to send each of them home with some gold. It's not going to be a lot, trust me. It's, you know, even those flakes, you know, it's not going to amount to an astronomical amount or anything, but it's still cool. Gold is cool. It's once you see it, and then on top of that, when you know that you found it and you panned it and you captured it, it's freaking cool. So I'm not going to allow them to go home skunked. I've got my container full of my concentrates, If I have to, I'm not going to just give it away. If I have to, I will use that once they learn how to pan. I will use that to make sure that they have some gold, because you and I saw it, you saw it. There's gold in there. I don't know if I'll let them take that one nug. That nug was awesome. Yeah, we'll see. I appreciate you guys. Hey, have a great night. Part 2 tomorrow. And once again, I hope you guys, especially you new viewers, I hope I earned your subscription, and my current viewers, I hope you were entertained. But most of all, I hope you saw those nugs. Yeah. Bring it on, you guys. Show me those videos. Show me the videos. Show me the nugs. See you tomorrow. Like, share, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Show me those nugs. Cold Rush 22. See you tomorrow.